हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू IAS फाउंडेशन। आज जो हम बात करने वाले हैं वो यूपीएससी सीएससी मेंस 2020 का हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल। जिनका हिस्ट्री ऑप्शनल है वो लोग इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखें। ये जो है 3 घंटे का होता है और 250 मार्क्स का होता है। जैसा कि हमने आपको पिछले वीडियो में बताया था, इसमें टोटल 8 प्रश्न होते हैं। ठीक है, 8 प्रश्न होते हैं जिनमें हमें पार्टिसिपेट करना होता है और 1 और 5 ये कंपलसरी होता है। 1 और 5 सॉरी 1 और 5 वो कंपलसरी होता है। उसके बाद आपने एक सेक्शन से 2 क्वेश्चन बनाने होते हैं। ठीक है, चलिए देखते हैं कि आखिर से पूछा क्या क्या गया है। ठीक है, सेक्शन ए में निम्नलिखित कथनों में से प्रत्येक का लगभग 150 शब्दों में समालोचनात्मक परीक्षण कीजिए। क्रिटिकली एग्जामिन द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इन अबाउट 150 वर्ड्स। Maharaja Ranjit Singh died in 1839. His death was the signal of an outburst of anarchy all over the Punjab. In the initial stage, when the Indian nationalism was immature yet supporting, it found expression in many liberal religion reform movements. In the early 20th century, there came into existence a number of women organizations which operate more actively in the public arena and focused more directly on women political and legal rights. The trade union movement in India not only supported the call for the national struggle at critical junctures but also impacted its course and characters in several ways. Based on his discussion with Indian leaders as well as his own precipitation, Lord Mountbatten soon came to conclusion that partition was the only practicable and feasible solution. Question number 2 का 1 में है, It was Dupleix who had first showed the way of intervening in dispute of the Indian rulers and the theory acquiring political control over vast territory, the technique which was later perfected by the English East India Company elaborate. For the long, the revolt of 1857 has been mistaken to be mere miniature in the Indian sepoys at the Bengal army. However, its causes needed to be searched for not only in the desertification of the army but in long drawn process of fundamental social and economic change the upset peasant communities discuss. Do you feel the Santhal Hul Revolution 1855-56 was the most effective tribal movement in pre-1857 India? Question number 3 में, in its political behavior, the Indian National Congress in the early career was never a radical organization. Beside the founder of the Congress involved A.O. Hume in their project to this fact verified that the Congress was founded as safety valve. Do you agree with the fact that the virtual failure of the non-cooperation movement and gloom that descent on the national scene created conditions for revolutionary activity? Discuss. Planning was seen as a powerful instrument that could be used to remove regional inequality. Examine. 4 का एम है, in this divide the constitutional space of Indian politics, Gandhiji could claim for himself a centralized position because he aligned neither a strategically combined the goal of moderates which means of the extreme discuss. After India independence, India-China relations are started on a high note, but during the course of the coming year, India had to face a bitter experience to the Chinese aggression. Elaborate. The reorganization of the state of the basis language was a major aspect of national consolidation and integration. Comment. सेक्शन बी में देखते हैं, critically examine the following statement in about 150 words. The principle of alignment were in the some ways a constitution of the discoveries and theories of scientific revolution. The causes of French Revolution in 1789 include both term and structural factors as well as more immediate events. Industrial Revolution had far-reaching social and political consequences with the advent of assembly line factories, urbanization, and rise of the urban working classes. The multitude of newly independent countries came to be known as the Third World, belonging neither to the First World of capitalist democracies nor our communist Second World. The British were slated to withdraw from Palestine in May 1948, and the both sides prepared for that day. Violence, Arab and Jews already endemic, escalated. Napoleon was Napoleon was not a revolutionary, but he solidified many of the revolutionaries change of 1789-1791 and himself supported most of the ideas and proposals of alignment philosophers sustained. Lincoln's main thesis was the slavery issue had to decided one way for the other and could not longer be evaded by compromise comment in the light of his role in American Civil War. The 1814 revolution frightened the crowded head of the Europe and caused several to abdicate. Those who remained were consequent of the threat posed by the liberalism, nationalism and socialism. Comment. From Bismarck's blood and iron speech and his forceful action to achieve German unification, Bismarck came to be known as the Iron Chancellor. Critically examined. Do you agree with the statement that the Second World War history most destructive war? Elaborate. Discuss the circumstances leading to a French exit from Algeria in 1962. How did Stalin build on Lenin legacy and Bolshevik revolution and the introduced new element of totalism of transfer USSR as a superpower? A new configuration of power emerged in world politics after the end of the Cold War alliances. How USA managed to become a sole superpower. Critical examine whether it was true that after a century of dependency of European Americans were ill prepared for the task of nation building. और ये इस तरह से हमारा 8 क्वेश्चन हिस्ट्री ऑप्शन पेपर 1 का पूरा हुआ, ठीक है ना। और अब हम आपने देखना है, सॉरी पेपर ये 2 था और हम आपने अभी पेपर 1 देखना है, ठीक है ना।